In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Myfxbook Community Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the sentiment tool and how to read what the crowd is doing on your chosen currency pair. This is quick, practical, and perfect if you want a snapshot of market mood to complement your own analysis. Start by heading to the Myfxbook website in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top menu and click Sentiment. That's the shortcut that opens the Community Outlook. Think of this page as a live poll of trading positions from a large pool of real accounts. It doesn't tell you what will happen next, but it shows how many traders are currently long or short on popular pairs, which can be incredibly useful for understanding the broader narrative behind price moves. With the Sentiment tool open, you'll see a list of currency pairs. Common ones include EUR/USD, GBP/USD, USD/JPY, and AUD/USD. These are major pairs with high liquidity, so their sentiment data is usually robust and frequently updated. Pick the pair you want to analyze by clicking it. Choose the one that matches your watch list or your next potential trade idea. For example, if you're monitoring euro versus the dollar, click EUR/USD. If you're focused on the pound versus the dollar, go for GBP/USD. After you click a pair, you'll land on that pair's sentiment page. Here's what you can typically expect to see and how to interpret it. You'll usually find the percentage of traders who are long versus short. If most traders are long, it suggests the crowd expects price to rise. If most are short, they expect a drop. You may also see the number of positions behind those percentages and, in many cases, average entry levels. Large imbalances can hint at crowding. For instance, if an extreme majority is on one side, it can signal a one-sided market that's vulnerable to sharp moves if price goes against the majority. Use this as context, not as a buy or sell signal. Sentiment can behave in two ways. It can follow trends as traders pile in, or it can become contrarian when a crowded position unwinds. Consider combining what you see here with your chart levels, recent news, and your risk plan. It's especially helpful to compare sentiment shifts with key support and resistance, or with the timing of major economic releases. That's it. Go to Myfxbook, click Sentiment in the top menu, and choose the currency pair you want to analyze. Keep the insights in perspective and let them support, not replace, your strategy.